Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Inspect every bulb, cord, and plug so you don't chase problems later. Next, measure the run and add about 10% slack for corners. This prevents tension and broken sockets. Once done, map the nearest outlet and select a weatherproof extension rated for outdoor use because undersized cords overheat. Make sure to keep the plug accessible for switching or a timer. Finally, gather mounting tools, hooks, cable clips, a ladder so you can move directly into hanging without stopping. Now drape the lights, working from the outlet outward so you control slack and tension. You should test each section as you go because fixing a short is easier before it's up high. Use hooks or clips about every 1/2 to 1 foot to distribute weight and secure connectors with zip ties so they won't separate in wind. When you encounter corners, make gentle 90 degrees turns rather than tight bends. This prevents stressed wires. Once hung, clip excess cord neatly. Make sure connections are off the ground. Finally, power up with a GFCI outlet or a weatherproof timer so you can automate runtime and avoid shock hazards. Once lit, step back and adjust spacing to eliminate sags or bunching. You want an even glow. Tuck every excess cord into clips or a cable box and elevate junctions off the ground because standing water kills plugs. If a section stays dark, first reseat connectors and inspect the inline fuse. Replace bulbs and fuses before taking anything down. This usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.